So the couple of videos I've done so far about staying connected to nature have really been about like individual species, really. They've been about skylarks and dippers. This one is different. This one is about a place, and this place is the Union Canal. During lockdown, this place has been so important to me and to really, I think everybody that kind of like stays in the same part of town as me, because it's just a green corridor in the middle of the city. It's fantastic, and it's used by everybody, and it's just a chance to be in nature in the city. There's something else I think that's quite special about it, which is this place was built, you know, as part of our industrial heritage. It was built to move freight around, and now it's still here, but it's doing a completely different job for us. And that job is helping us have, you know, green space and stay connected with nature. So I've been having a bit of a wander around, picking up a few shots of this wee film, and there's been some wildlife around. A moorhen, what my children refer to as the sea pigeons of Harrison Park. I mean, they're really paddling pigeons more than sea pigeons, but still. But really the thing that's been amazing has been just the sheer number of people and all the different things that people are doing, you know, cycling, running, walking, kayaking, rowing, pushing buggies. It just makes you think about what an amazing resource this is for so many people. And just a chance to get out and connect like on a day like this, like a spring day. And there's so many signs of spring around and warmth in the sun. Yeah. So let us know about the spaces near you, where you get to go and connect with nature, that mean a lot to you. And I think I'm just going to sit here and enjoy the sun for a bit.